What's going on, you filthy animals? No cursing. You probably got kids at home, infants. You're probably watching this at work. And, well, there's going to be a time where you go ahead and tell your boss, fuck you, I'm out. But that time's not right now. And I hope you're wearing headphones. But let's go ahead and talk about these alerts here. Now, if you've been following me on Twitter, well, you know about this and you're probably printing. If you're not following me on Twitter, well, then too bad. What you waiting for? Okay, so let's talk about, one, AMD. I alerted AMD this morning and I had talked about the 135 strike in December being absolutely juicy. So what I did was I took a contract that expires tomorrow at 133. And, without fail, we have AMD kicking ass and taking names. Now we got ARTL. I alerted you last week at 86 cents, currently trading at $8.15. You're up, you're running. Now Ford Motor, have you driven for it lately? Probably not, but if you jumped in on this play, you're riding that baby, right? So just let me know how that Ford ride feels, huh? We're trading at 1924 and I alerted you in the 18s. Also, I have some options on this play. Absolutely killing it, printing with the $19 strike. Now, let's go ahead and talk about fuel cell, because fuel cell is something I alerted this morning. And fuel cell, I'm not looking at it as, let's say, a long-term play, but a short to midterm play? Absolutely. More important than that, it is a day trader's dream. You go ahead and you see the dip, and then now we got this rip here, and it's damn near predictable as long as you pay attention to the RSI here and the MACD. All right. So the HER, we're talking 4 cents. So that's at or about 4 cent moves on the minute candle. And that is great. This stock is fairly predictable. If you don't know anything about day trading and would like to learn about day trading, make sure you check out the link in the description. It will link you to the day trading playlist. I got guys on Twitter sending me messages saying, Gabe, thank you so much. Now, let's go ahead and talk about AMC, because I did talk about AMD and you probably said, hey, wait, did he say AMC? It's trading at $133. We're going to the moon. No, not yet. Not yet. But let's go ahead and look at AMC, because we have the customary dip in the morning and then consolidation. This is repetitive. We see this time and time again. However, what I do see currently and what I like to see is AMC remaining above 50 on the RSI, and we had the crossover on the MACD, and we're showing strength in the price action. Again, upward momentum. That is a beautiful thing to see. Now, we have to talk about the short interest here, because we have a lot of bro-vestors on social media platforms like StockTwits and Weeble and Facebook groups, and you got the naysayers saying, well, it's never going to squeeze. Well, it's 16.62%. And then the naysayer is going to say, well, that's not really that high. What happened to the 20%, And, well, then us guys, the diamond hands with conviction, we say, well, hey, you know what? That's self-reported. That is not the real number. Either way, anything above 10% means we have a relatively high short squeeze potential. Now, I want to hint at something, and this is a beautiful thing. This is why looking at the chart and understanding the chart and going to my playlist and understanding what the hell I'm talking about, guys, that day trading playlist, it's going to help you, because we could look at AMC on the 4 hour and we see this wedge. This wedge pretty much told us the overall story and gave us just a baseline of future price action, and AMC is living up to it. But what I really want to talk about is if we go to the daily, we could see that AMC has a crossover on the MACD, and we got 2 solid green candles. I would like to see that momentum carry on over to November 8th. That is earnings, and that's when enthusiasm turns to FOMO, and ideally we have enough buying pressure to trigger some margin calls, aka short squeeze. Now, we see here RSI still relatively strong at 54.16. This thing is doing what it has to do. Amy is resilient. Amy is stubborn. And, I posted on Twitter way back when AMC was trading at $1.91 and now it's trading at $40. You know what? You guys did that. You degenerate fucks did that. And so, if you need reason to believe, just remember that. Don't let anybody sway you with opinion. Don't let the bro investors tell you any different. Don't let the shills and the bots just play with your emotions. It's unnecessary. AMC to the moon. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with your morning recap. I'm signing out, and put some ink in your printer because you're fucking printing money. Peace.